Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PTE CoHub, your one-stop channel for real private practice. This is the second video of real exam-based memory question video. Do it at the end. In today's video, we'll practice most repeated repeat sentences that are often heard in real exams. Make sure to listen carefully, repeat after the beep, and speak clearly with correct pronunciation and rhythm. Let's begin. Headphone. Sentence 1. Being a vegan means not consuming any animal products. Sentence 2. The university will introduce several new courses in the coming year. Sentence 3. Diagnosis is not a discrete or limited process. Sentence 4. Please make sure all workers follow the department guidelines. Sentence 5. There will be an open book exam on Monday, the 28th. Sentence 6. Students' identification cards will be issued today and tomorrow. Sentence 7. Newspapers across the world are reporting stories of presidents. Sentence 8. Student loans are now available for international students. Sentence 9. There is limited funding in this department to support qualified students. Sentence 10. Eating too much will do harm to your health. This is the page number 2. Let's start. Sentence 1. If you forget your password, you need to contact the student center. Sentence 2. The university supplies a number of scholarships for qualified students. Sentence 3. Conservation is essential for the survival of future generations. Sentence 4. You should include your name and identification number on the registration form. Sentence 5. You can only choose one subject from biology and chemistry. Sentence 6. You come with me, and the others just stay here. Sentence 7. This can be seen as the starting point of my discussion today. Sentence 8. You should go to the reception to get your student card. Sentence 9. Scholarship applications must be handed in at the end of the month. Sentence 10. There are lots of people competing for places in computer courses. This is the page number 3 of most repeated repeat sentence. Let's start. Sentence 1. I think it's one of the best things I have done really. Sentence 2. I used to have a cup of coffee with 1 sugar. Sentence 3. I'm sorry for being late for today's lecture. Sentence 4. I've always been interested in biology and physics. Sentence 5. If you forgot your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce. Sentence 6. In English, the month of the year is always capitalized. Sentence 7. It is important to take gender into account when discussing the figures. Sentence 8. No more than 4 people can be in the lab at once. Sentence 9. On this project, you will be asked to work as a group of 3. Sentence 10. She was always here, but today she is missed. This is the page number 4 of the most repeated repeat sentence. Let's start. Sentence 1. Company software has changed a lot in the last year. Sentence 2. Distance learning has become far more popular these days. Sentence 3. Here is only one example, but there are lots of others. Sentence 4. I didn't understand the author's point of view on immigration. Sentence 5. I know how to solve the problem, but I've been asked not to tell you. Sentence 6. I missed yesterday's lecture. Can I borrow your notes? Sentence 7. Please go straight and turn left to reach the library. Sentence 8. Would you like to videotape our lecture? Sentence 9. The library is located at the other side of the campus behind the student center. Sentence 10. You will be informed of the results by email. This is the page number 5 of the most repeated repeat sentence. Let's start. Sentence 1. The chemistry building is still open during vacation. Sentence 2. She doesn't even care about anything but what is honest and true. Sentence 3. I will be in my office every day from 10 to 12. Sentence 4. Next time, we will discuss the influence of the media on public policy. Sentence 5. A computer virus has destroyed all my files. Sentence 6. The African elephant is the largest living land mammal in the world. Sentence 7. Many medical volunteers no longer have access to medical literature. Sentence 8. Storytelling is a common teaching technique in many countries. Sentence 9. Chapter 1 provides the historical background to the topic. Sentence 10. You must go to the reception to pick up your student card. This is the page number 6 of the most repeated repeat sentence. Let's start. Sentence 1. We don't have enough evidence to draw conclusions. Sentence 2. Maybe it is time for me to make some changes. Sentence 3. New York City is famous for its ethnic diversity. Sentence 4. The economic class will take place in the main lecture room. Sentence 5. Allergy problems do run in the family, but we don't understand why. Sentence 6. Dr. Green's office has been moved to the second floor of the building. Sentence 7. There are no scheduled classes during the final exam weeks. Sentence 8. The professor will talk about the summary in the lecture. Sentence 9. The visiting professor is going to give a lecture on geology. Sentence 10. Sport is the main cause of traumatic brain injuries in the United States. Sentence 11. Most of the assignments should be submitted on the same day. This is the page number 7 of the most repeated repeat sentence. Let's start. Sentence 1. I think the university's main campus is closed. Sentence 2. I could not save my work because my computer crashed. Sentence 3. The result of the study will be published next month. Sentence 4. When I was in school, I had many of the same problems you do now. Sentence 5. I'm glad that you've got it. Sentence 6. Children are not allowed in the chemical labs. Sentence 7. Students can get access to computers on a daily basis. Sentence 8. You should include your name and identification number in the application form. Sentence 9. All students must participate in the exercise. Sentence 1. Shunya, we are not going to accept the assignment after the due date on Friday. This is the page number 8 of the most repeated repeat sentence. Let's start. Sentence 1. Please prepare a PowerPoint presentation for tomorrow's meeting. Sentence 2. Lecture theatre is located on the ground floor of the building. Sentence 3. Interpreters are not readily available in this department. Sentence 4. After I graduated from college, I spent 2 years traveling around the world. Sentence 5. Biographical information should be removed before the publication of the results. Sentence 6. You can get a student card at the reception. Sentence 7. It is acknowledged that his work is groundbreaking. Sentence 8. All the assignments should be submitted by the end of this week. Sentence 9. On behalf of our department, thank you for your participation. Sentence 10. She has been in the library for a long time. This is the last page of the most repeated repeat sentence. Let's start. Sentence 1. Most students are not eligible to claim housing benefits. Sentence 2. If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar. Sentence 3. This part of the story is the story of my father. Sentence 4. The circulation desk is located on the ground floor. Sentence 5. The professor will talk about the summary in the lecture. Sentence 6. Facebook is one of the most popular websites in the world today. Sentence 7. There will be open book exams on Monday the 28th. Sentence 8. The program depends entirely on private funding. Sentence 9. The chemistry exam results will be posted on the website. Sentence 10. The first person in space was from the Soviet Union. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.